Hello everyone, I am Shivani Trivedi from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today, this is the first video of Unit 1 in which I will give you the description about what we are going to study in this unit. So, Unit 1 is an introductory unit of computer network subject in which, first of all, we will study about what are the goals, what is computer network basically, and what are the goals and application of computer networks where we are going to use of the computer networks. And what are the categories of computer networks like LAN, local area networks, metropolitan area network, wide area networks? These are the categories of computer networks. And about the brief history of internet on who are the ISPs, internet service providers. About the network structure and architecture, in which we will study about two models that are the most popular model, OSI model and TCP/IP model, and then about the network devices and components like your what are the switches, routers, repeaters, hub. So we will study about different networking devices. Then comes your first layer of OSI model or TCP/IP model, that is a physical layer. TCP/IP model की सबसे पहले layer है आपकी physical layer, और every unit is based on that TCP/IP model only. Like Unit 2 is based on the data link layer, Unit 3 is based on network layer, Unit 4 is your transport layer, and Unit 5 is your application layer. Similarly, the Unit 1 is based on physical layer. In physical layer, we will study about network topology design, in which we will study majorly mesh topology, star topology, ring topology, and your bus topology. And I will also tell about some tree topology also. There is a hybrid topology also. And then type of connections like point-to-point connection, point-to-point and multi-point connection. How you can connect the devices in the network. Transmission medium, unguided and guided media, about different cables in guided media, about wireless communication by radio waves, microwaves, infrared, and then signal encoding. Digital to digital transmission, when we have to send the digital data, we have to convert that digital data into digital signals with the help of some line encoding scheme. According to your syllabus, there are only two line encoding scheme in your syllabus, that is your unipolar and bipolar. Okay. We will study different encoding scheme in this lecture. Then network performance and transmission impairments like attenuation, distortion, noise. We will study about this and see some numerical on this topic. Then switching techniques, this is very important. Theory question यहाँ से बन सकता है, like your circuit switching, like packet switching. Packet switching is further divided into datagram switching and virtual switching. And also last one is your message switching. So we will take this in the detail. Then multiplexing topic, this is used for the wise utilization of the bandwidth, in which we will study about FDM, frequency division multiplexing, wavelength division multiplexing, and time division multiplexing. So these all the topic comprises in Unit 1. We will study this in detail in my further videos. So these are the references you can refer for Unit 1 topics. Thank you for listening to this video.